Where did my hunger go? What happened to my thirst? Though I still speak in tongues, minister before me, Lord, yet my secretness is weary and dry. If you still hear my cry, please hear me right now. Savior, Savior, Savior. I'd like to repeat it again. It's an intentional night. And this is not one of the nights where you pretend. You can notice that the numbers are beginning to reduce. All I have brought is the sacrifice of me. All I have brought is the sacrifice of me. I know I've wasted many years. I know I've wasted so much time. Please, Lord, I bring what is left of me. I know I've wasted many years. I know I've spent me somewhere else. Please, Lord, I bring what is left of me. All I have brought is a sacrifice. The sacrifice is me. All I have brought is a sacrifice. The sacrifice. Savior, Savior, Savior. We are still on the matter of preparing the new wineskin. Preparing the new wineskin. There is no challenge with the wine. The wine is readily available. Master, some of us have been sensing transition for over 3 years, and it's been looming. It's been looming. It's not because the master did not want to pour oil. It's that you were more comfortable and excited about the vision you saw. Make me room. Make me room. You've been sensing transition for the past 5 years. 5 years. God didn't intend for it to last that long. Take away old wineskin, and the new wine will naturally come. Jesus. More love, more devotion, more of you in my life, more love, more affection, more of you in my life. I will worship you with all of my heart. I will worship you with all of my strength. I will worship you with all of my life, 'cause you are my owner. You are my Lord. Son of David. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse. Blessed art thou, Son of David. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse. You are eminently glorious, immaculately beautiful. I can go on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabularies will fail me. This night I cry out for your mercy, oh Son of David. Mercy, oh. Mercy, oh. You are eminently glorious, immaculately beautiful. I can go on and on, but my words are not enough. My vocabulary is to fail me. Permit me to cry out for your mercy. Mercy, oh, Iba, oh, Iba, show me mercy, Iba, oh, Iba, Iba, oh, Iba, Iba, It's a night of intentionality. It's a night of intentionality. You will live here with fresh commitment and discipline. Let's say that aha. I see like a river. I see a river flowing in this direction. The river is coming with force, as if something is trying to block it, but it's saying, I will come anyways. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. There is hope for a tree, though it be cut down at the scent of water. Oh, you the wisdom before time began. You called us into a human. I see something. I see the restoration of an ancient grace, of an ancient grace. An ancient. I can see it clearly. Show me your holy face. Yahweh, Rapha, Elohim, Shaddai, Adonai, show me your holy face. Teach me your holy way. Adonai, teach me your holy way. Teach me your holy ways. Adonai, teach me your holy ways. Promise of the Father, Spirit of truth, Spirit of the Father, Spirit of truth, promise of the Father. Spirit of truth, Spirit of revival, come to us again. Holy Ghost, show us Jesus again. Let us know Him again in your church again. Holy Ghost, teach us truth again. Let us see you again in your church again. Promise of the Father, Spirit of truth, Spirit of revival, come to us again. Promise of the Father, you're the Spirit of truth, Spirit of revival, revive us again. Holy Ghost, teach us truth again. Show us Jesus again, that we know Him again. Holy Ghost, give us hunger again, that we see you again in your church again. In the Elera Bentifiti, you're the promise of the Father. Oh, yeah. Holy Ghost, show us Jesus again. Some of us, our hunger, our desires need to be redirected, needs to be focused. This was not how you started. It's not a time to be excited. It's just to deepen your desires.